India defeated Australia at the Gabba Test on Tuesday to win the series 2-1 and retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy. India's win was also a special one because several key players had been injured through the course of the series, leaving the task of a strong performance on the shoulders of a young brigade. Even captain Virat Kohli had flown back to Mumbai after playing the first test in Sydney on paternity leave. Virat and actress Anushka Sharma welcomed their first child, a daughter, on January 11. In absence of Virat Kohli, Ajinkya Rahane was the stand-in skipper. Man of the match in the final test was Rishabh Pant, whose efforts, 89 out of 138 balls, helped India to win. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and congratulated Team India. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. Congratulations to Team India on a historic test series win in Australia to retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy. A great performance. Goa opposition leader Digambar Kamath also took to social media and said the following. Congratulations Team India for outstanding performance and winning the test series in Australia to retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.